I could have treated you better. That's crazy. No.
Miss, this is the bag tag. You'll pick it up in baggage claim at your final destination. This is your bag.
You used to do that shit?
Yes, this is your bag ticket. Put it on the back of your
So Jadelle has to make the line because, as she said to us, she's just a girl, and she decided to check in the whole bag.
Welcome back, guys. This time we have a different trip. Yo, I'm over here looking for you over there. What the hell?
No, they lost fast.
Still got mad time to kill. Our flight leaves at 10:30. So Jadel's hungry. I want a drink. He wants a drink.
Let's go.
It started. Oh, I got something in my book bag for that.
Oh yeah. Still got a few 3 hours.
Y'all can sit down any way y'all want to. Just scan the table.
Hey, look at that, okay?
And then 15 to 25 minutes, right?
Ya comenzó el tipo. First time going to Europe. How do you feel?
I'm excited and nervous at the same time.
¿Y tú? Pa' París.
No le paró nada.
¿Cómo es que se dice?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, no, je m'appelle Joseph.
Joseph? Se cambió el nombre. His name is Joseph here, pero allá es Joseph. Ahora sí, we're sitting at the bar. We're gonna get a few drinks before the flight.
Ah, no se me puse rudo y se va a repetir. Ah, sí, se va a repetir.
Status update. It's 9 o'clock. Still an hour and 30 minutes left. She got her to-go cup.
Mira lo que yo trabajo aquí, ven, ¿quieres que te cobre?
All right, now we go to the gate. That's our gate. Ya está cómoda, mira. Así llega a París.
Como ella.
Oh, sorry, Zadel. Zadel está cómoda.
Hi, how are you? Just look into the camera. Where's your passport? Joseph? You're all set. Welcome aboard. What's your secret?
2 Charles. ¿Tú quieres o allá? Yeah. Yes, sir. Quédate el codo, aquí está caliente. Milox, me tienes nervioso tú.
Está como nervioso.
À Paris ce soir,
Ça fait?
6h22 minutes.
I'll have the chicken breast.
Folks in the cockpit, like standard, welcome aboard Delta 264 to Paris Charles de Gaulle. Little bumps on the way out, and then mostly smooth sailing across the ocean into Paris. But right now, it's clear skies, light winds, and temperatures 5 degrees.
¿Cómo te queda ahí tú?
Thanks for flying Delta. We'll be underway shortly, and welcome aboard.
Le dieron la comida al tipo. Combination. My dish, we got the chicken entree. Llegamos, mi gente. ¿Qué horas son? Las 12. Así, perdona, bonjour. So these two just got their first European stamp on their passports. So now it's official, yeah, international for real. We got our bags. You got everything right? All right, let's go. Hopefully we get a Mercedes. Hopefully we get a fucking Toyota Corolla.
Yo, we don't have suerte.
Yo, bro, es una sale. look, the best thing about the hotel we're staying at, they already see the Eiffel. They have the snack wrap. €5 will be like $6-7.
For that whole meal, that's crazy.
All right, we're gonna do a taste test. First croissant in Europe.
It tastes fresh to me. That's what it is.
It is though.
10 out of 10.
Could be better, but it's good.
You know, I would say
Like a 7.5, yeah.
so nice here.
Yeah, why?
She's so sweet. Hey, no, not for real. Niggas in New York is assholes.
Where was we?
Let's check in and get ourselves settled in.
Hello.
Let's go. Ready to adventure. Jadelle got the outfit. Yeah, she definitely got the. She got the memo.
She got the Paris memo.
Yeah, the memo.
All right, first order of business. We're gonna go see the Eiffel Tower. Mira, Jadel. El
No,
carro
este es
tuyo.
mío con el flow.
Yeah, ready for the view?
Let's see. That's so nice.
This is the Eiffel Tower. Doesn't it look so much better in person?
Hell yeah.
And much taller?
Yeah.
I like it.
I'm in the moment right now.
This is my second time seeing it, and it's still
Look,
cool.
this is what
Take some photos. Yeah, like a flew. Would you like your husband to propose to you here without you knowing, and he just randomly gets on one knee and says,
no false.
Madame, please marry me aquí in an Eiffel. Would you like that?
No
I
fault.
think it's outdated. Like, I don't know.
Get the
Yeah,
I
bro,
want
la
tropical,
gente-
like.
Oh, she wants it on the beach. So Jadel's future husband, she wants to get proposed on at a beach. She's the type to be like, damn, you couldn't do it in Jamaica when we was over there?
I wouldn't.
I'll say
mind
yes,
it.
but between me and you, like, we gotta do it again in Jamaica, okay? Pero sí, pómelo, mi amor. We're gonna take a photo of us three. Let me ask somebody. Wow. Oh, they're waving hi. So far though, it's a nice day. It's not that cold, it's not that hot. Now that we're done having our photo session, a comer and a few drinky drinks.
A drinky drink.
Un drinky drink no cae mal. A little happy hour too right here, my boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's the other door. I'm over here looking like a twat. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Me and him got the
It
same
feels
drink.
like squeeze, like freshly lemon squeeze, right?
Woof. Hello. A girl is about to tell you what is the criteria,
What is the
minimal
criteria?
to get into
Addy.
a woman's close friend.
friends. We have the testimony.
Yeah, go
So
ahead.
for me, it's either two things. Either you're really a close friend of mine, or you're like a crush, and I want to post something that like somebody else can't really see.
But are you taking out the
But I
other
want
people?
you to see it, huh?
Are you taking out those other people to post?
Because you don't care about the other people.
No, I don't care about. Yeah, they're close friends.
Okay. And there you have it, guys.
Coming to you live with Chicago wings in Paris. Don't let that go over your head. Chicago wings in Paris. In Paris.
Where's Joseph?
He was all mad nice. Like, merci.
Now they get to see the Eiffel in the dark at night. We came back to take some photos down here because at exactly the top of the hour, the Eiffel Tower changes from this regular lighting and it starts flashing like this. Yeah. We are in Cine Aqua, waiting for the cab. Merci, bonjour. Off rip into the bar. ¡Santos cielos!
¡Santos cielos!
¡Cielos!
¡Quiero perrear! ¡Quiero perrear!
They're all the same. I'm gonna regret that tomorrow.
Is this true, guys? Men that cook is sassy. Yes, I know that, bro.
We left the bar. It's currently
For a second, we left the bar for a second.
11:20. We're gonna go investigate this McDonald's situation. Oh, it's right there. What? It's closed? It is closed. So now we gotta walk back to the other.
Guys, this is Paris at night. A little bit of nightlife for you. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is JD Sports. I think the UGG store.
Hopefully it's open. Let me see. It's open, it's open, it's open. Della's happy. Let me know if you find the snack wrap. All right, snack wrap in Paris. Is it how? I think the facial expression is talking for itself. She's getting PTSD. She's getting all the memories.
PTSD for sure.
Oh my gosh. So far, the snack wrap is better than the one we had in PR. Look at the barbecue sauce. How different it looks. We munching right now. It's been a successful 24 hours. We did a lot. We ate a lot.
We got drunk.
Back to the room. Just get some rest. Bye.